Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Airplane 2. I've never played this. Have you, Mad City?
Nope. This one looks good actually.
Yeah. We only want 2 people in this.
Oh, 3, 4.
Let's get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Okay. There's 2 people. This one.
0. Find 0.
I found 0, 1. You want to come in?
No, here.
Okay.
Quickly, get in. Leave. Leave.
Bro, yes!
We're going to be by ourselves. I've never played this, have you?
No.
Please subscribe if you haven't already. So, where do we go? What do we
Okay,
do?
well, it looks like, well,
What do we do?
I guess this is your scene.
Oh, it is your seat.
I'm watching a big screen.
I'm going to do the small screen, which has way better movies than the actual. Where do we go?
Oh, just sit down.
No, I want to explore.
Me too. Oh, it's the door. It's closed.
What is this?
What?
Residential plane?
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome back.
Everyone, welcome back
Look, let me read.
Airplane 2.
Let me read.
Hey, I'm allowed to read.
Hello. Okay. My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in the flight. Okay? Kelly. And
As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. This is a super presidential plane, isn't it?
Ready now.
It just looks like it. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
welcome you to the 991. What? Presidential aircraft? I was right.
Have you played?
No, I haven't. I actually haven't got 0 wins. I've never played this. Never played this. 0 wins.
Me either.
Mate, I've got 0 wins.
This monster.
There shouldn't be. Have you played Airplane 1?
Oh my god, look at this airplane, bro.
Have you played Airplane 1? Because I haven't.
Yes, I have.
Is it good?
Yes.
We're going to put out this video first.
This
Because
is my first time ever playing Airplane 2.
I've got 0 wins on it, so yeah. Alright, enough chit-chatting.
Okay, whatever you want. Crazy monster.
Please find the seat that has your golden label on it. Oh, we're gonna find it in like 10 seconds.
Oh my god!
We're gonna find it. Oh, no, this one. No. Yeah, fine. No, I pressed out. Oh, I pressed out. Ah! Oh, Jesus! Did you damage your health?
No. How do you know that?
I don't know, it just seems like because I had a timer. Did we just do a barrel roll? Yeah, I think we did.
Yeah, we did.
Thank you. What the hell, Pilot Kelly? Who does a barrel roll? We could have. Wait, this doesn't even have seatbelts. Jesus Christ. I've informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Where do we go? Oh, let's see, we go over here.
Okay.
Where do we go?
I found a page. It says no.
Wait, what? Oh, page, not. It says not no.
Did you click on it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what's this?
What?
And remember, no one should know about this.
Get out of there.
What the?
Anyone here?
Did anyone else see that?
Me, I did. Ah! I'm stuck.
Oh! Matt City's stuck in the door!
Can you help me?
No, I can't. I actually can't.
Stand down, you leave. Migraine.
No, don't leave, please.
I can't. I need to go back to the lobby.
Same.
I literally died.
God damn it, we have to try this for a second time, guys. Second time.
Because I got stuck by the
Where are you? Oh, this one has, wait until it has 1 second left. 10 seconds left. Wait until it's 5 seconds. No, leave it. Whew. Wait. I found one, Mad City. Mad City!
Get in. Go. We would have never made it.
Oh my god, at least we just us.
Yeah. Okay, so where am I? You're here. You have the worst TV.
God damn it, I got the worst TV. Jesus. Can I sit here? No, this is screwed up. This is screwed. This is screwed.
I'll leave you the worst TV ever.
This is screwed up. This is dumb.
Hey everyone, look back. We never came here, bruh.
No, I've never played this. I've got 0 wins. How much have you got? How much wins have you got?
I know.
This is so dog shit. I hate this shitty seat. I hate this. Look at this goddamn seat. I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna sit here. I was thinking.
That's my seat.
Come on, can we swap? It's the presidential line. It's the 999 president 991 presidential aircraft.
Presidential. Open the door.
Stupid president. It's probably like I don't know. Probably Donald Trump or something.
Probably like an asshole.
It's probably Donald Trump. Every game has Donald Trump in it. Like every game that's presidential is Donald Trump.
Hello.
Yeah, it's Donald Trump every single time.
It's Donald Trump.
It's probably Donald Trump.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, it's Donald Trump probably. It's Donald Trump. I swear to God, if it's probably yeah. I swear to God, it's definitely Donald Trump or something that rhymes that with Donald, like probably Ronald or Donald or like it could be Ronald, Arnold. It could be Ronald, Donald, or like it probably will be Donald Trump. It could be Donald, Ronald, Oral, Doral, and Ronald.
No, it could be Ronald.
Oh my God! That was great.
Did we just do a flip? Did we just do a
Yeah, we did.
roll?
Why do I keep doing this dance?
I'm licking the door.
Ew. Get out of the way before if it like bumps you in the corner.
No, but there's space here.
Yeah, right. The note. What are they gonna say?
Okay, what are they talking about? Give it. You're gonna die.
Move! I can't see what they're saying. And remember, no one should know about this.
Oh my god, this thing. Oh,
There might be something. There might be something that's not.
Hey, stand at the doorway.
No, you got stuck last time.
No, I didn't.
You did.
Well, I did, but I can see. Welcome to
Airplane. This agent seems fishy.
This guy's fishy. Yeah, but fishy.
And congratulations for what you have done. Your country is great. Oh, shuck. Follow me into the next room. I don't know. I'm so much taller than this guy. I'm the tallest in this plane.
And then me.
And maybe then the agent than you. Because you're tiny.
The agent's so tiny, he's supposed to be older than us too.
Like, he's smaller than me. Jeez.
Brandon doesn't know.
Where?
He. Second note in there.
He. Not he. I really just want to grab a cup of water. Hey, get off Mad City. You're gonna drop it.
I'm not.
Mad City, move. You're gonna drop it. If you drop it, because I want some water, okay?
I'm gonna get the first cup, okay? I'll give it to you, okay?
No, I want the first cup because you're standing on it. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water? Alright. Mad City!
Oh no!
Mad City! Mad City!
What? Oh no! Trust.
What?
3, trust.
Trust.
What is that?
a mop.
Give me.
Jesus, go! We've only got 30 seconds.
I'm sorry that spilled it.
Dude, I was thirsty. Dude, I was so thirsty.
I'm sorry that spilled it.
I was so thirsty. This is why I didn't want you to grab it.
Because I make it full.
Yeah, of course you do. You're Mad City.
That's a full cup name.
I don't know.
Ah!
Mad City. So
I'm so
messy. You're so messy, Mad City.
Hey, no, oh my god, this guy's Ronald McDonald.
Wait, what? Who is this? Is this Donald? This is definitely Donald Trump. No joke.
Is this Ronald McDonald? Did he make the secret?
No, this is his hair's the exact same.
Is this
Ronald. I knew it'd be something. Donald.
Is it
Wait, what?
McDonald who makes the secret patties from
I'm sorry.
hamburgers, McDonald's?
I don't know. It's a habit. A habit. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Guys, we will be playing Airplane 3 as well soon. My name is Ronald. Oh, really? Am I a hero, huh?
Wait, it's trashy.
We have a delicious meal prepared for. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. Oh no. What? Throw that chef off this plane. Jesus. We'll take care of him, Mr. President. Mad City 8327. You look like a great chef. What?
No, I'm not. I'm not a great chef, okay?
I cook.
But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before.
Haha, get wrecked. Get wrecked. Well, you better learn quick or. Ha, get wrecked. Ha.
Fine, I'll cook.
Haha, get wrecked. You suck.
Okay. What do I do? Salad? I don't know.
Soup, probably.
Mad City. I will tell you what the ingredients. You have to find.
Soup. I bet soup. Guys, at the end of this, I'll tell you that if we beat this, I swear to God, I'll only have one win. If you grab the wrong ingredients, then we'll quick it out of the crash, but be quick. Are you ready? Yeah, get ready. Time to cook.
Oh no.
The soup needs butter.
Butter.
Ew.
Okay.
Oh. Alright. This soup needs banana.
Banana and banana.
Ew. What is this?
Found it.
Oh. Nice. This soup needs tomato.
Are you serious, bro? Give me a tomato. Put it. Yay.
This soup needs corn.
Corn.
Get the corn.
Where is the corn?
Get the corn. You're gonna get kicked out.
Corn. Yes.
This soup needs eggs.
With ovals.
Ew. This soup is weird. Food is ready. I'm eating. I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat.
I put the best things in soup. Now eat it.
I'm gonna sit next to my best pal.
Rest it here.
I'm sitting next to my best pal in Roblox.
Yeah. I made the best soup. Do you want to eat it?
Yeah. Okay.
Eat it. It's disgusting, but at the same time, it looks delicious.
No. Enjoy. Alright. Whatever, mate.
Eat it.
Whatever.
Eat it.
It's probably
Eat
really
it.
not
Eat
good.
It. Eat it.
It's probably not good, Mad City.
Good. I'm the best chef. It's so good, bro.
probably really bad.
We left.
We hope you enjoyed the soup. The president had to leave early.
Do I need to cook again? What is
We should be meeting you again at the presidential suite.
I'm the president.
Alright, so please. Sorry, guys, I had to do something quickly. I'm a jumping pro. Bruh, this guy's tiny.
Okay, I'm getting there. Welcome to the computer room. Computer room.
Computer room? What?
At the computer room.
Whoa, this is my gaming room.
This is my gaming room, bro. This is where I game. This is my gamer.
I'm sitting next to Mad City.
Yes, no. Sit next to the weirdo.
No, I'm not sitting next to Weirdo. You can sit next to Weirdo.
No. Can we swap the chairs? Yeah. Now, you must try the fight code.
Bruh, I bet you it's all blue. It's all blue. Just do it all blue. It's all blue. It's all blue. It's all blue. It's all blue, mate. It's all blue.
Oh, okay. It's stuck on white.
Stuck on white.
Yellow. Blue.
Blue. It's all blue.
Oh, it's stuck on white. All blue done. Right?
What?
Say
I
what?
bet you it's all white then.
Yes, it's white then.
Just let's do white. I bet you $10 it's white.
Wait, it's white up here.
I bet you it's $10 it's white. I bet you $10 it's white.
Done.
Yeah, I told you. You have to give me $10.
Give me $10, bro. Give me.
What?
Give me.
We really give me $10, Bad City. I bet you said I betted you $10 that it would be all
No,
white.
I'm saying this guy give me $10. Give me $10, bro. Give me. Huh?
Hello,
Oh,
Mr. President. Where? Wait, where?
It's here. On the floor, president.
Where?
There. But
Oh, it's there. Haunted.
yeah. Who's the best at this?
Alright, so far it's not him haunted, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure. I lost track. It's not him. For some reason I can't find the keys.
I found it.
Oh! Med City, you're so good at finding
Got
stuff.
it.
I found the keys.
I found it. Great. I found it.
Let's open the door then. Ah!
You got one. Oh, here. Got 5.
No! I got stuck.
Are you stuck?
No! Oh! Oh, it teleported me.
Good. Yeah. Party in my bedroom.
Your bedroom? Oh, this is gay.
Party in my bedroom.
It's not your bedroom.
It's my bedroom.
No, it isn't.
It is.
Not.
Look, see.
Oh, another note.
Yeah, I already got that. That's
Okay.
5. Out of 7.
I got 5 out of 7.
Where do you think?
No, that was 6 out of 7.
Huh?
I was 6 out of 7.
Show me.
There's one in the hacking room.
Show me.
I've got 6. I'm just joking. I actually got 5.
You only got 5. Stop trolling.
Bruh. There's probably gonna be something like dumb here.
It's nighttime already. I don't care. I'm staying up all night.
Same. I can sleep. Really? Yeah. Alright.
I can't sleep with it. There's someone.
Yo, why is the door still open? Guys. What the? What? Bro, what is this?
Curtain. What is this, bro?
Oh my god, what is that? What is
Bro,
that?
this monster.
Wait, what?
Bro, wait.
Wait, what? What? Wait, what? Wait, what?
Wait, what's that, Mom?
What the?
Bro, it's a monster.
What?
Oh no. It's a monster.
Oh my god, that's hideous.
That's hideous.
Actually, that's not very scary. It's just black as fire.
Okay, now,
Let's
now.
stop it. Get me out of here. Come on, no. No, get me out, get me out.
Get me out.
Oh! Please, please, just go.
Please. I don't care if he dies.
Go!
Great, I don't care if he dies.
Go! It's so far back though.
Yeah, I made it. Whoa, in the storage room.
No, go! I made it.
You have to jump over these things. I found another note. Dude,
Where?
here.
Oh, hi.
Got 6 notes.
Where is it? Where is it?
I got 6 notes. Oh gosh. Where is he? I'm scared.
Bro, where is it? Where is it?
Where is he? He's not here.
I think that's the floor.
Are we safe now? No.
Probably not.
We're gonna die. This is the last time we know, kids.
No way.
Prepare to die. Jump in the lava. 3,
No, don't jump in
2,
the lava.
1.
Oh! It's not such a
We escape? Wait, what?
fire's gone. What
Let's
is
get out of
happening?
here. Whoa! Wait, what? There's a thing here. It's like
So cool. It's a fire. Alright, didn't this all burn?
What's it? Hello? Who's there? Hey guys. I'm glad you did I'm glad they stopped. Something terrible happened over there. You don't say. I can tell you what to do with them. You need? Wait, where is she?
I don't know. The problem is the door's locked. Just give me a minute while I try unlocking it.
Is he the monster?
Maybe. Or maybe the agent. Get closer while I do that. But maybe be
Or
careful.
maybe
The
Ronald's
monster
the
might be
monster.
still around.
Maybe Ronald's the monster.
Nah.
He left really quickly.
That is true. You guys will not escape this time. What the? Wait, where is he?
You are.
Where is he?
Where?
What? Don't let him catch you.
Oh!
Oh! Go!
Oh my god.
Go! 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 Where do we go? Where do we go?
I don't know, Rita. This way?
Oh, he's really far behind. Oh no, I'm stuck in the bedroom.
No. No.
No! I'm on so little health, mate.
Well, where do we go? Where do we go?
No, I'm on low little health. He's so fast. Oh, we're
Maybe
fast.
we just dodged the whole thing. Like,
He did that with you. Get to the pilot room.
Hey, do you want... Wait, where?
Get to the pilot room.
Wait, what?
Get to the room that's pilot.
Why?
You'll die. The door is open. Get in.
Open.
Open it. Oh, I'm on half health.
Me, I'm on green health.
I'm on yellow health.
Oh, boy.
I'm on half. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Do you regain in this?
No.
God damn it.
I can't find...
Alright, so I'm endangered.
Where's the beat? Oh, I found one.
What?
I
Where?
found the last one.
Oh, we found the last one.
What's it? I got badge.
Same! The secret of the notes.
Secret of the night. Oh, what? Wait, what?
Do not trust him. He is haunted.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god! I made you come here.
Who is that?
Who's this?
Who is that? It's this lady here.
Probably.
I know it's you. Can't hide
The
it.
good news is, I'm not just a pilot.
monster.
You're a monster. I'm also a secret agent and I know a lot about this monster.
Wait, what?
Epic!
Epic, who's the monster?
He once used to be a human, but had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one liked him.
Is it the secret agent boy?
And yeah, there was something about planes. He was always so obsessed. He liked to read news about plane crashes. Jesus, this guy's violent.
This guy's violent. He crashed everything.
So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Lucky he died of a heart attack that day. He was about. His spirit still chases people like you guys because he blames you for his death. Now that you know that story about the monster, you must know he can't take any shape. He couldn't be an agent or the president, but I'm not sure yet. Take this gun.
Okay, I'll take it.
We'll both get it, buddy. I got it.
I got it.
You only have one chance. Discover him, kill him.
Wait, do you have it?
No. So, who is taking the shot?
Got it.
Alright, you take it then.
I will.
If you miss, I'll be so upset.
What if I got the bad ending?
Alright. Good luck, guys. If you miss, I'll be so upset.
I'm gonna kill Ronald.
No, don't kill Ronald. He was a bad guy.
Ronald McDonald's a bad guy.
No, he isn't. You're the bad guy, probably.
Hey, Ronald.
There you are. We've been looking for you. It's the agent. It's the agent. 100% it's the agent.
Ronald McDonald.
It's over. We've heard the discovery. Discover you monster. Wait! Put that gun down. Why? What are you doing? You know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. You are making a huge mistake. We are
It's
not
Ronald.
monsters. It's not. Don't shoot him.
I have to.
No, don't shoot him.
Give me the hamburgers.
Don't. I don't trust you. Don't shoot him, please.
I shot Ronald McDonald. I pressed him.
If you got the wrong guy, I'll be upset. Upset.
I got the person.
It's the monster, Mr. President. It has been hunting us since the first trip. I tried to take advantage of this trip to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. You almost shot the wrong dude. Congratulations, passengers. You have saved the day once again. Guys, don't forget, after this, we've got part 2. We're going to plane 3.
Not now.
After this.
No, not now. No, because the iPad is barely any charge. Sorry. Can't do it.
But I will finally go on. Yes, you finished Airplane 2 award.
Yay!
Victory.
I shot Ronald McDonald.
No, you didn't. You shot the agent.
I want Ronald McDonald.
Which was pretty brutal, if you ask me. See, guys, I've only got 1 win. I've never actually played this. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And I will see you in the next one. See ya.